was even funnier.
I know. Okay, are you taping?
Yeah, I'm taping.
Okay.
This is cool.
Watch it.
This time you won't be able to make it
I
up there.
know, you will. Jen's gonna help him up. Oh my god. He's gonna hurt himself. Stop.
For the record, I didn't need help.
Whatever. You go first.
Okay, it's under clean. Man, I just hurt my foot really bad.
What are we waiting on? Oh.
Ryan. Now watch, make sure you get JR. Come on, let's see how big a splash you can make. No. I'm not that dumb.
I'm only half dumb.
Yes. Cannonball. The first one was better.
Yeah.